Well, do it. Oh shit. Some crazy shit going on right now. Oh! Nick, don't do it, Nick. Don't do it to him. Oh! You ain't gotta do it like that.
Hey, you don't have to act up.
Coach, you gonna make me act up.
I'm trying to wake up butt naked tomorrow.
Well, bitch, you guessed it. You was right. Bitch, you guessed it. You guessed it. Still in that place. And I'm flexing.
Cheeked up here on a Friday night. Ass up.
I know how to do it. Hey, y'all gonna make us act up.
Fucking hard.
Play some heat.
This is what my boyfriend does.
That's some like Mendoza type of shit right there. Hey, bro.
What is this?
Why would you place it on there?
Hey, serio, hey, you know what? It's always girls blaming the guys, and I honestly, I think you're at fault. Women and taking accountability. That's accountability.
You would hear a girl say, "Oh, man ain't shit."
Yeah, man ain't shit. So I fucking hate girls. That's why I only fuck with guys now.
Huh? Wait a minute.
Wait a minute.
Hold that shit
Hey, okay. Maybe women are not that bad.
This is stupid. Who's coming up? Don't.
See the dog. So, because it's like a big old truck, right? And there's little dogs crossing in front of him. The dog barely made it. I was turning.
What kind of dog again?
A Chihuahua. The crackheaded dogs.
See this? Look it.
No.
Look it. They're suppressing me from my game. How else am I gonna get you?
Shit.
Oh shit.
I'll fucking race you, Farah.
Hey.
Mobile on your ass. Fuck you.
Hey, Footy.
What's up, Miami? What's up? What's up, Miami? What's up, Miami? Jump on it. Jump on it. Jump on it. What's up, Tampa?
Do you want me to record you?
Bite the lid. Bite the. All day.
Yeah.
Two-time MTL champion in track.
Who ran today, me or you? Why are you with the camera? For?
Honestly,
Look.
I think that's why I'm crying. Because running.
Step back. And you thought you were gonna dance. Wait, who?
Reese Proctor, 6'3", big guy, handsome.
Fact?
Packing, he's packing. I seen his print. His shoes hanging. It's his third leg. Yeah. Fuck.
Are you gonna head over or are you doing shit right now so I can go to the store?
Let's 2 more minutes, please.
You know, I'll leave your ass here.
Bitch, you guessed it. You was right.
The vlog. I'm scared.